Ever wonder what makes food taste so good? It's not always just about adding the right seasonings. Food science plays a big part in how flavors are developed and affects the foods you eat every day. I'm Betty Gold, Senior Food Editor for Real Simple. Today on Something to Chew On, I'll share a recipe that breaks down the science of deliciousness. No matter how hard you shake them, oil and vinegar just don't want to mix together. So today on Something to Chew On, we'll be talking about the science behind making an emulsion to combine this defying pair. In order to make an emulsion, you need to add something that serves as an emulsifying agent, which means an ingredient that helps your two liquids come together and stay together, either temporary or permanently when the mixture is agitated. The most common emulsifier is egg yolks, but butter and chocolate are other examples. To make our salad dressing, we're going to start out with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Next, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, so that's about a half a lemon. Water-based liquids, like vinegar or lemon juice, run right off of the leaves, while oils tend to cling to them and cause them to soften and wilt. Half teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mayonnaise and Dijon mustard both act as emulsifiers here. 1 garlic clove minced. And then 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then we're gonna whisk this really well, which is what gets the emulsion going. To get a stable emulsion, you need to use something to hold the drops of opposing liquid together and prevent them from separating. This something is called an emulsifying agent, or emulsifier. I'm gonna give this one more quick whisk just to make sure that that oil and vinegar are nicely combined. There are 3 main types of emulsions. Temporary emulsions, like a basic vinaigrette that you have to shake up every time you drizzle it over salad. Semi-permanent emulsions, like hollandaise sauce, and permanent emulsions, like mayonnaise, that won't separate. Adding a few of these beautiful croutons, some salt and pepper, and a little bit more Parmesan. So there you have it. Nailing a stable emulsion is the secret to making a restaurant-quality Caesar salad at home. Let's give it a try. If you like this video and want to see more, be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss a thing.